Hello and thank you for joining us. Today I'll be demonstrating some features of the Cireson Remote Support Desktop application. Remote Support Desktop allows you to easily have access to some powerful troubleshooting tools all from your local desktop. This application is quick and easy to install and has no infrastructure requirements. With Remote Support Desktop application, you can easily begin to start troubleshooting a device using some key day-to-day troubleshooting tools that I'll be demonstrating to you next. Remote Support Desktop does not require any infrastructure to get up and running. Once you've installed the application to your local device, you can start to use its great features to help troubleshoot an issue. Let's begin by connecting to a Windows 10 device. First, let's enter the Windows 10 device's name, followed by the Configuration Manager server name, and click Connect. Now we're connected to the device, we can see valuable information and start taking action upon this device. As you can see with device collections, I can see which collections this device is a member of, and I have the ability to remove them. I also have the ability to add to a different collection. With client actions, I have the ability to run those config manager agent client cycles remotely. And from client tools, you can take various actions such as opening up the C $share on the local device. With install software, I can clearly see the software that's installed on this device, and I have the ability to repair and uninstall these applications. From Software Center, I can see any approved applications, and I have the ability to uninstall and install these as well. Available updates allows me to see any pending updates sent to this device from Configuration Manager, and I have the ability to manually force those to be installed. With installed updates, I can clearly see Windows updates that have been installed. Processes, I have the ability to kill any processes. Within printers, I can easily take various printer tasks, such as cancel a job, pause the queue, print some test pages. With services, I have the ability to stop and restart any service. And other actions, I have some useful tools enabling me to reboot a device. I could click on computer manage that device. I could even open the event viewer to help me troubleshoot an issue with this device. I also have the standard remote tools such as PowerShell and of course remote control, allowing me to control the machine remotely. Thank you for joining us today. If you'd like to find out more information about remote support and request a more in-depth demo, then please head to the URL that you can see on your screen.